So, you want to see what a real battlefield looks like in Gloomhaven? Cardboard tiles do the job. If you're looking for a real battlefield, then toss aside the cardboard and let's get cracking.
Whoa! Get a load of that guy. Wouldn't want to mess with him. But today we're not here to mess with people. We're here for Gloomhaven. That's the board game that we're gonna improve. In this project, I want to recreate all the Gloomhaven tiles in 3D, including all the bushes, all the crates, all the tables, everything. And I know that I'm gonna need cobblestone tiles, wood tiles, stone tiles, wooden walls, stone walls, and so many other things. So I want to have a bit of a clear view of what I need to print. To do that, I'm just gonna create an Excel file and try and figure it out. So I add 5, and I subtract 5, divide by 0, Pythagoras. Okay, I think I figured it out. So a little bit more than 1,000 tiles. And that's why I've got a second printer. That one over there. We have a ton of tiles and stuff to print, so cue the montage. Everything is printed. Finally. It took, I think, 3 weeks to print, only to print everything. And we've got a waterfall of tiles. A waterfall, you ask? Well, let me show you. We start priming everything, and that shouldn't take too long because I think I can prime everything with the spray can, and then that's gonna take maybe one afternoon, and then we're gonna start painting. That's gonna take quite some time, so let's get started. I'm done printing all the surface tiles and also the magnetic placeholders that will connect all the surface tiles to one another. The magnetic placeholders stay together with what feels like a million magnets, which I still have to insert. And only then, when the tiles are primed, I can start painting them. But now I still need to combine those. So I've got about 800 to combine. I think I'll just get started. Okay, that's enough. All right, everything is printed, primed, and combined. So now it's time for painting. It's finally done. The waiting is over, although this video is pretty short. It took me a lot of work. I also want to give a thanks to all the patrons, which there are none, but I did receive some questions and I decided I'll make a Patreon. You can buy me a coffee there, that's the only option. And I'm gonna put some behind the scenes content there as well. I think that could be quite fun. Examples of which I'll put after the reveal, just to keep you guys watching longer. And I'm happy to say it looks amazing. So I went from this to this, and now the reveal. Let's get to it. Oh, is that you? Yeah, you're that really awesome person that watches the video till the end. Anyhow, I really hope you liked it. I never expected my previous video, the Terraforming Mars video, to do as well as it did, but it kind of set the bar to the kind of content that I want to bring out on this channel. And perhaps with the Patreon, we can do more community stuff. We can have the patrons decide what board game to improve next, what thumbnail to use, have a Q&A, show around the crafting den, show you more behind the scenes footage, and just generally get talking more. I think that's easier than through the YouTube comments. So anyhow, if you're up for that, join me on Patreon. If not, I'll see you on YouTube.